2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Customer would like to put a subwoofer in the trunk. Let me show you how we're gonna do it. This is Alphasonic down-firing sub 12-inch. Older models, they had battery on the passenger side seat. There is a battery under here. This cover off. There's a fuse box right here. This is a fuse box. Come up with this. So there is a main fuse box right there. Right next to it, there's a battery, but that's not a main battery. You used to have a main battery on the passenger side, not on 25. So this is a passenger side. Alright, so this is driver side. There's also cover, just like the passenger side one. There's a cover. This air vent slides in. You just pop this out, slide out. This is where the main battery is, not on the passenger side like older models. So we're going to tap onto this main power line with a fuse. Run to the back. You see it right here. To the back, and we put it behind the seat and right there. So that's where the power line is. This is a ground wire. We ran it through here, under part of it here. And we put ground, scrape off the metal. We put ground right here. So that's going to be the ground. Power from the battery, main battery. And that's where we're putting it in. There are two models, one's with the amplifier built in, one's without. This car does not have an amp. So if you have an amplified system, you're going to take this stick out. There is a torque screw here. There's a torque screw. Take it out, unscrew this, pull out this gasket. You're going to remove this. You're going to remove this. Then this can be pulled. The amplifier is behind here. This model doesn't have an amplifier. So we're going to go to the rear speakers. The rear speakers without the amplifier. The left side is a dark green tan, dark green gray. The right side is a dark green brown, yellow gray. I'm going to show you where that is. So you can grab that from behind the radio, but we're not doing that. You take this panel out. This just panel, you can just pry this out. Where the grommet goes out to the door. Behind it, there are wires right there, as you can see. Alright, in this corner, let me focus this one. As you can see, there are two plugs. One's white on the top. Oops. One's white, the other one's black. There is a release tab on the bottom of this plug. You push, pull out. So you can easily access that. The speaker wires are dark green brown, which is this one here, yellow gray, which is this one here. So dark green brown, that's a plus. Yellow gray, which is the diagonal from that dark green brown wire, that is the negative side. So we're going to tap on two wires right here, run out to the amplifier. Same thing on driver's side.
I disconnect.
We are disabling the ANC microphone that's on the roof. You can actually pull down the headliner and reach up there and disconnect. There should be one there, one here, one there, one there. It's a total of 4 microphones. You pull this headliner down and reach right on the top side of it, and you just simply unplug it. There's 4 of them. If you don't do that, when you step on the gas, it makes a rumbling sound. So be sure to disconnect the ANC microphone. This car is a 4. Not those, I don't think. These are for the Bluetooth. So do not disconnect the ones on the front. Disconnect the ones by the side, by the doors. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side.